swing and cannot moving. And have a try. Yeah. One more. Yes. Hi, how are you? This is Buffy from Ebunge Partition. We are the mobile partition wall manufacturer based in China. Today we will explain how the mobile partition wall works and why the panels will not swing when fixed. Now you can see all the systems only have top hanging track, no floor track, and nothing on the floor. And now the panels can move in and will swing. We will use this handle to fix the panels. See? 180 degrees. Then the panels fix, cannot swing and cannot move. And have a try. Yeah. One more. Yes. It's very secure. Agree? Yes. And we can use this handle unlock the panel again. Then it moving, sliding, and we also can sliding the panels to anywhere, parking all the panels. For example, the corner against the both of the wall and the storage of rooms. And why the panels will not swing? Because we have the top and bottom seals can fix the panel. Yeah, it's very easy. And the advantage, the most important advantage for the movable partition wall is because it has good sound insulation for the space management. If you are looking for any movable partition wall for the project, welcome to contact us at any time. Thank you.